Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. I'm going to be showing you a lot of Emptie skincare products. Now I do a lot of skincare videos, the reviews. I do try a lot of skincare as well as makeup. But there is this one point when I do like to show you these Emptie skincare dabbas or makeup as well. Just so that you know that yes, these are the products which I absolutely loved or I did not like. And secondly, which all products I would just go ahead and repurchase, or my experience with the product has changed, and what extraordinary things the product has done for me. Because sometimes what happens when we do a review after using a product for a month, I generally do it 1 month or 2 months, but still after 2 months the experience with the product can change because of the weather change. Maybe the product did not work in summers and worked absolutely wonderful in winters. So there can be products like these as well. So you should always look out for these Emptie videos because they do help to understand should you be buying the product or should you be skipping the product for that weather. So without rambling too much, let's get into these Emptie skincare dabbas and know some stunning skincare products which I absolutely love, and if there were any mishaps. So I never thought the first product which is going to come into my hand is a mishap. Is the Faces Canada Fresh Clean Glow Makeup Removing Wipes. Do not buy these wipes. They do not remove your makeup, neither they remove your lipsticks well. If you're wearing a complete waterproof matte lipstick, this wipe is not going to help you get rid of it easily. Secondly, it's not the best. For the price, $2.99 or $2.39, $2.99, the 30 wipes, I still feel I'm paying a lot because it's not that there is, I like simple wipes which are 345 rupees or 325 rupees, but they remove everything from my skin without stripping my skin. But this one, I did not like it and I would not recommend anyone to buy it. So you can completely skip this makeup removing wipes. Moving on to another Emptie expensive product is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Now I have completely finished the serum. This is the older version. Now Estee Lauder has come with the newer version. I would not buy the new version also because frankly speaking girls, I have used like 2 bottles like this and both of them were gifted to me by my brother. Frankly speaking, I had to push myself to finish the product because it is expensive. Secondly, it has not done anything extraordinary for my skin because I feel there are a lot of other serums who have done amazing things for my skin, and this being very expensive has not made me happy. So I would not say go ahead and buy this one because it is by Estee Lauder and everybody says oh my god, this is an oh my god product. Sometimes an oh my god product can be like a dud product for many skin types, so you have to be 110% sure buying a bigger bottle. So what you can buy, you can just go and buy the smaller size which is for 12.50 rupees as much as I know. Try it, you love it, you buy it. Me, I did not see anything happening on my skin, and secondly I feel it is a little drying product for my skin type. Being a combination to oily, I'm saying this, it gets a little drying. So yes, I did not enjoy the product. Moving on to another expensive skincare product and something which I have already repurchased is the faceshop Chia Seed No Shine Intense Hydration Moisturizer. So it is basically a cream format moisturizer which controls the oils, and I would say it doesn't sit in a weak manner. Being expensive, heavy moisturizer, it doesn't linger onto your skin. It just soaks up well and give you nice soft and supple skin. Though I have used jars and jars of it because I like investing in a good skincare. I don't mind paying a little extra. I'm all okay with it till the time the product is doing what it's supposed to do. Now faceshop has changed the packaging. They have only one variant, the chia seed moisturizer. Earlier they used to have 2 variants. This is the cream one, there is another gel one. I don't see either of them now and I see only one which I've already bought. So yes, I'm always excited about this moisturizer. If you're combination to oily, you're gonna love it. If you haven't checked my top 10 moisturizers for combination to oily skin, consider watching it after this one because you will discover some amazing moisturizer from inexpensive to expensive category. Since I already showed you a wipe, there's another wipe packet which is over, is the Simple Sensitive Skin Expert Cleansing Wipes. They're back again in stock on my car. I don't know, they just get out of stock anytime. So if you want to have wipes, these are the ones to go for. Even the Nika ones are good, but these are extremely good. This one I always have a backup, and I use wipes only for my lip swatches, or if I'm on the go, I'm traveling and I want to just remove my makeup, then only wipes would come into my hand. Otherwise, I'm more of a cleansing balm person, so I remove my makeup with the help of a cleansing balm. But these wipes are really good for lip swatches, and they remove any kind of lipstick. So yes, again, one packet is done. Why not show you a product which came into my life like 2.5 months back and it's already over, is the MyGlamm Glow Iridescent Brightening Essence. Amazing product, well done MyGlamm. I didn't had high hopes from their skincare line because generally the brands who do a lot of good makeup or good makeup, they are not that good at their skincare. But after L'Oreal, I feel this is a brand which has done it really well into their skincare as well, because L'Oreal skincare and makeup I like both. Same here, MyGlamm makeup and skincare I like both. This essence is really good for combination to oily. It has rosehip oil vitamin elixir. Basically this whole line is for people who have mature skin or into their aging. If you have wrinkles, fine lines, blemishes, this whole line is made for you. So they have lotion, toner, moisturizer, eye cream. This one is completely done. I already have a backup, so I'm already using it. So you know how much I love this one. So if you want to try MyGlamm this glow range, just get it blindly. You're gonna love every single product you buy from them. Moving on to another moisturizer, and this is from the brand Good Vibes. So this is their Good Vibe Tea Tree Gel Moisturizer. Now this comes into a gel format and it is completely over. I loved this one. I want to repurchase it soon. It's just that whenever I'm about to buy this, I end up buying something else. I don't know why. So I'm going to buy 2 jars of it now because I really like it for my skin in summers. Winters it does get a little drying. So I stopped using in winters. Half tub was left, so I used it this summer. It's already over. So soon I'm buying 2 jars of this. And though I'm going to be buying their orange gel also, which I'm using currently, that will also be over. But this one, definitely try it. If you're combination to oil, you're gonna love it. Moving on to another moisturizer from a well-known brand, Dot & Key. I have reviewed this product on my channel. So this is the Dot & Key Green Screen, oh my god, Skin Detox Smoothie SPF 20 moisturizer. It's a day cream, I feel. Yes, it is a day cream. And it has a little bit of little bit. So this was finished a long time back. I've done a full review. Again, as I mentioned, I'm not a big fan of this moisturizer for summers. For winters it was good. That is why I will not be repurchasing this one, because it gets a little crazy on the skin during the day, which I do not prefer. Nobody likes it. So that is why I'm skipping this one. I personally do not enjoy moisturizers with SPF. And if you would see me, I generally do not pick moisturizers like that. I would have 1 or 2, but I do not enjoy them. So I like to use my SPF separately. If I add it in a product, it's just more of a not so comfortable zone for my skin. So that is why I totally skip it. Moving on, this is a small tester size product, is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Now I have like 3 jars of it, but this had a lot of product. So this eye cream works. I would say that I would go and buy the big size. The only crunch factor could be the pricing. It is expensive. It is not an inexpensive product. So maybe I'm just gonna wait for a few months, then buy this one. But as of now, it is not the priority product because I already have a good eye cream which works just like Estee Lauder eye cream. So if you are under a budget, do not eye also these products because these are expensive. And I always say, invest in skincare products which you can afford every second month. Do not invest in products which you cannot afford again and again. So makeup maybe, and now my makeup theory has changed completely, where I feel you can buy an expensive product because makeup is something which you wear it on top of your skin, you wear it for the longest duration, and you want to wear, and you should be going in with the best makeup product. So as I always say, you should put a little extra money into your skincare than your makeup. But now as I'm aging, I do feel you can put a little extra money in your makeup as well, because then both the things go hand in hand. It is basically for the people who have already crossed their 30s. You should be deciding well which makeup products you are buying, and do not look into pricing all the time. Lipstick, you can do that, but I do feel base products you should not be discussing on money. If you have money, then I think you should just get a good makeup product. At times I feel I just get a little Gyan Guru type in the video. Okay. Next product is product is not exactly a product, I would feel. It's a candle by S.J. March, the Silician line. I know I have butchered this name. This is by Shreya Jain. This is a merch. I bought 2 scents. I have thrown the other one because I've used that one also. This one I kept it just to show you guys. Now guys, this is a very small size candle, so do not expect the fragrance to be in your dining room or your hall. You can just keep it on your study table or wherever you work, and then you will just have that nice aromatic happening around you, but nothing more than that. So for $2.99 I got 2 good size candles. So it is like more of a travel friendly candle. If you're more into candles and you want to have candle around you, then this can be a good option, but not something out of the box, I would say. There are much more inexpensive candles, like the Miniso ones are bigger in size, and the scent is like in whole drawing room of mine and my dining room. But with this one I felt it just be around on my laptop area where I basically sit and edit. Other than that, I cannot sniff this candle all over around me. So yes, but it was a good buy, and this was basically one of my first scented candles also. So a good product by Shreya Jain. Moving on to a product which I'm using from ages, and finally it's over, is the faceshop Mango Seed Silk Moisturizing Eye Cream. Now this took the longest time to get over because of one reason, that it has a lot of strong alcohol scent. Yes, it is very strong. It's like, as I said, you sniff it, you feel as if you just open a bottle of any liquor, you have it in your house, and I just don't know why it is there. So this took the longest time to get over, and it was expensive. I think it was at 2,700 or so, but I cannot just throw it, so I had to use it. I will not recommend the Mango Seed range by the Face Shop. I don't know if they have, because I see the packaging has been changed on the Mango Seed version also, but personally I did not like their Mango Seed version, so complete no. Moving on to a body butter. So this is by Wow Skin Science Mango Body Butter. Completely over. Currently I'm using the Amazon Rainforest one, which is also a little bit of is left. It's in my bathroom only. I keep my lotions in the bathroom, or else I'm a very lazy person on body lotions. So this is the best technique you can do. Keep the lotions in the bathroom. Immediately after the bath you can use your lotions. So this I completely used up. This was best for winters. Best. It gives the longest hydration on my body and does not allow it to dry. So I really like it. I think Wow has become the best skincare brand in my favorite category of skincare brands, and they have done such an amazing job on their products. No one has asked me to say this. This is my personal experience with the brand, and it's that one time I received a PR by them, but till now, whatever products I have bought from them, they have worked amazingly well, amazingly. And I'm so intrigued by all of their products that none of the products have caused any issue onto my skin, or I had a bad experience with them. Now, everybody has their story with brands, but I'm not going to get into it because I don't have one. Secondly, it's my personal experience with their products. They work wonderful for my skin. So yes, I buy product as a layman person. I do not buy products as a content creator, because I don't want to make my skincare routine more complicated. I like to keep it as simple and as easy and much more understandable. So yes, this one was one of the best products by Wow which I have used, and I absolutely love it. Moving on to another Dot & Key moisturizer. This is a night cream again, which is completely over, and this is called as the Retinol Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream. Again, this is something which I can go and repurchase. This is really good. This is an all-weather moisturizer. This works really well. If you're a person who likes something light but not heavy and does the night cream job and give you a nice soft skin in the morning, then you can be buying this one. I did not feel that it did like extremely extraordinary things for my skin, but I could see a nice healthy skin in the morning, because winters I was using this moisturizer and I was not feeling dry on the skin. So yes, another good discovery from Dot & Key, but this one was really good. The other one was, you know, how I felt. And now we are down to the second last product, and these are complete to repurchase, and these are my second tubes of both, is the Wow Vitamin C Sleeping Night Gel and the Daily Face Gel. I love these gels for my body. I use them all over my body after my bath. So summers ke liye these are really well done. So I will be soon repurchasing them. ये 2 महीने पहले ही खत्म हो गए थे. 2 महीने पहले या 2 महीने पहले खत्म हो गए थे. And I absolutely love them. ये खरीदने के बाद I can finish both of these tubes in a month. इतने ही चलते हैं. But worth buying, because you're getting aloe vera and vitamin C. Something well proportioned and well done. So if you're eyeing something light, comfortable for summers, then you should be eyeing these ones by Wow. They say it is made for face, but you can use it on your body. I like this product more for my body. So yes, something well done and something well enjoyed. Next up is a hair care product, is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth 1 liter or 1000 ml. 1 liter shampoo. This is the biggest shampoo. I got this before lockdown, and in between then I switched over to natural based shampoos. Then I stopped using this one. Again I started using this one, and now it is completely over. Now I like to switch my hair care products. I can never resist myself not trying more products. And secondly, with the hair, I always like my hair to be adjustable to any kind of shampoo. So Tresemme is one shampoo which I've been using past 8 years, and this shampoo has never disappointed me. Yes, in between I felt the shampoo, or for that matter any of my favorite shampoos, were not working on my hair, but now again it has started working. This is completely over. I've already purchased the 500 ml one. So yeah, I'm back to Tresemme again. And last but not the least, I have a makeup product which is completely over, is the Swiss Beauty Jet Black Eyeliner. I already have a backup on this one. You know how much I love this one. This is like my second liner in 1.5 years. I use this a lot. It is only for 250 rupees, and after discount you just end up getting for 220 or 210 rupees. So if you want a good felt tip eyeliner, long eyeliner, then you should be eyeing the Swiss Beauty eyeliners. They're really good. I'm sure that I would have missed out on few products here and there, because yes, it always happens. So they will definitely fall into my next empties. I hope you loved watching this one. Empties video do help to understand the products more better. I have reviewed all of the products on my channel, so you can check out their dedicated reviews as well if you're eyeing any of the products I showed you today. I hope you loved watching this one. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @Bronzinggeek. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.